Hello, boys and girls. For our Fine Motor Center this week, we're going to be talking about the letter N and the sound of N. And we're going to have fun. We have a couple of different activities there. Of course, first thing you'll do is mark fine motor on your check sheet. And then when you sit down, you'll find lots of materials at the table. So you'll find some Play-Doh and some rolling pins. You'll find some noodles, because noodles start with the letter N. And I also put out some Play-Doh sheets for you to make the N. So you have a couple of different ways that you can make the letter N this week. So you'll need to take some Play-Doh. And of course, you're all familiar with doing this because we do this during our goal setting time. Remember to roll it out like a snake and place it right over the top of the black writing to make the letter. Be sure that you're making your own letters down in these bottom two squares too, not just at the top. Okay? So you'll do that for the uppercase and the lowercase, and then again the uppercase and the lowercase, and then you'll make your own down here. So that's one option that you can do for the letter N. I also have these this week. And this just has the letter N on there, for you to take the Play-Doh and roll it out and make the shape of the letter N right on here. Okay, same concept as our other Play-Doh sheet, just a little bit different. Right here. Okay, and then you'd finish this, and then if you wanted, you could try your own on the back. Okay, I'd like you to try both the uppercase and maybe make a lowercase one on the back too. Then I also have those noodles, and of course there's a couple of different options you could do with that too. And you can lay it on the table and try to make the shape of the letter N using the different pastas. Okay. Okay, kind of like that, make the shape of the N and the lowercase letter. Otherwise, you can take your Play-Doh and you can take one of our rolling pins and you can roll out the Play-Doh, make it nice and flat. And then you could use the noodles in a couple different ways. You can either make prints for the letter N, which is kind of fun. And of course, don't forget to make the lowercase letter. That's kind of hard to see, but you can make the print of the letter N, or you can lay the Play-Doh, lay the noodles in the Play-Doh to make the letter. So we've got a couple of different options this week. So go ahead and have a ton of fun. When you're done, when you're finished, be sure to put the noodles back in the container and get your Play-Doh back in its container and put the cover on nice and tight so it doesn't dry out for the next person. Have fun!